And ako po yung magiging partner po ni Ate Diana for this challenge. So let's, give me 1 second, it's loading real quick.
Nakabahan ako, oh my God.
So guys, the challenge is she's gonna be doing improv hosting, and then we're gonna have a bunch of topics and categories. So, would you like to start na po?
Game. Basta
Okay.
sabayan mo ikaw yung magano tayo.
Yes, I will. So, for the first one, it is gonna be Pilipinas Got Talent with a contestant na magaling mag-ballet. Hala.
So, ballerino, ikaw.
Yes. Kailangan ba tumayo para sa audition na to?
Mag-ballet ka, kunyari.
Kung nga rin
You have to wear a tutu.
Huh?
You have to wear a tutu.
Ay, wala na po ang skirt dito. Naghiram sana dapat pa kay mama kaso bawal. Pati dito na sa'yo. Okay. Okay, let's start first with the entrance. Okay.
Ay, may entrance.
May pa entrance. Okay. Go.
Go!
Hi po. Ako po si RJ Perkins po, 16 years old from Angeles City po. My talents po are dancing po.
Dancing what?
I do ballet po. I've been doing ballet professionally po for 6 years po.
Oh, wow. Interesting. Ballerino. Okay, show us what you got. Sample.
Gusto niyo po may music o walang music po?
Abang prepared Okay, sige, why not?
With music po o hindi po?
Okay na yan. Sige, go.
Ano po? Okay, let's start.
Girl. Oh my God. Hindi ko yun expect yun, Oh my gosh, wait. I have to be in character. Hindi pala ako si Diana. Ang galing mo! Kamusta naman yung performance mo, Mr. RJ, ballerino?
Sumakit po yung legs ko po.
Sumakit yung legs mo? Wala namang nabali?
Hindi naman po. Hindi lang po nag-stretching po.
Hindi ka nag-stretching? Gusto mo ng med? Gusto mo ng tawagin yung emergency? Gusto mo ng stretcher? Okay lang?
Yes po.
Ang galing mo! Sige, may I ask, ilang taon ka nung na-discover mo yung passion for ballet?
I was already 1 years old po.
1?
Yes po, 1 po. Ano po ako sa tiyan po ni mama po.
Oh my God. 1 year old! Grabe naman yan. Kasi alam mo ba ako, nag-ballet din ako before. Nag-start ako, 3 years old naman. Totoo to Totoo no? 3 years old. So, yan, 3-year-old? Oh my gosh! Sobrang flexible mo!
Sakto lang.
Can you do that again? One more. Oh my God!
Ginagawa ko po talaga po yung ballet po.
Totoo?
Yes, I do, I've been doing contemporary.
Oh my God! Akala ko naglolokohan tayo dito.
Sabi daw.
Hindi kasi ako din, totoo, nag-ballet ako before. 3 years old naman.
Oh!
Nag-start ako 2 years old, tapos...
I just started doing ballet 2 years ago.
2 years ago, grabe. Isn't it hard, doing ballet at such a...
I mean, the only part was, I had to, slim down, even though I was flexible. Nung na-meet ko kayo dati sa, I think that was after your Minute to Win It show with Frankie. I saw that when you guys watched us perform, that was the time when I started, nalala ko pa yung moment na yun, nakakatawa nun. So,
ano yun?
No, because, wait lang, kwento ka rin sa kanila. Guys, kung hindi nyo po alam, one time po, nag-practice po kami. And then, pagkatapos nun, sobrang pagod kami. Pero nagkataon, beside our rehearsal room was Frankie and Diana. Tapos biglang tumingin kami sa labas, tapos nakita namin kayo, and then you guys went closer. And then I ran back, and then I was like, so nervous. And kasi, tapos na dapat kami sa training nun. Like, we were all so tired na. And then, once you guys came in, for some reason, some of the members were offering if you guys wanted to show the dance. And then, I was like, I got so nervous, but I was wondering, everyone was so tired, pero nung biglang pumasok kayo, nagiging sobrang active sila. I'm like, aba. I'm like, so,
Natatandaan ko yun. Natatandaan ko yun. Kasi we were waiting for you guys to finish rehearsing kasi mag-rehearse kami ni Frankie for Tacloban ata. Ayun.
Guys, that was an intense moment po. Sila po na
kasi ako naisip ko rin mag-ballet ulit. Kaso, ang hirap kasi pagka nag-stop ka na ng matagal, di ba? Parang back to zero talaga. Lalo na sa flexibility.
Yes. Yung problema ko lang ngayon is splitting because my thighs are in enormous pain, so I didn't do splits for like a while now. I don't know if I can still do it.
Ang galing. Kaya pala sobrang flexible mo. Ang galing. Sobrang amazing. Kasi akala ko nag-joke ka. Wow.
Thank you.
First time ko makamit ng ballerino.
Thank you. So, let's move on to the next one. It is the voice with a contestant na may inspiring backstory. Kakanta na lang po ako. Wait, paano kasi the voice is you don't introduce yourself anymore, right?
Oo. And I have to turn around pala. Okay.
Okay, what's a good song? Okay.
Okay, go. You have to impress me. Ano kaharap ako?
Quick snippet lang yun, Quick snippet lang to. Okay.
Go.
Ready? Lights, camera, action. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew for the first time, I say for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.
Wow, ang galing mo kumanta. Grabe, sobrang multi-talented mo naman.
Thank you po.
Ang galing! Okay, so RJ, how old are you?
I'm 16.
16?
Yes po.
16? Talaga?
Yes po.
You're so tall for your age. You look so much fun.
I just turned 16 po. 2 months ago.
Goodness. Seryoso?
Yes po.
Wow. Grabe, pero you're so tall. You're like a lot taller than me pa. Diba?
Maliit po ako nun.
Tumangkad ka pa ngayon.
Ano po ako ngayon? 6'3" po.
What's your height?
6'3".
6'3"? Oh my God. Grabe. Pero you have a really nice voice. Grabe. I'm glad I turned around. Can be my coach. I pick you.
Thank you po. I really appreciate it po.
Yay! Palakpakan natin si Mr. RJ Perkins. Sobrang galing. Grabe. Ano ba? May iba ka pang hidden talents na hindi mo sinasabi?
Abangan niyo lang po yun. Napause ako dun. Wait lang. Okay. So now, we have... Where is that? Okay. We have last two. So we have last two choices. Okay? The next one is Magandang Buhay with a guest na mommy. So magiging mommy, daddy po ako.
Popshi. Ay, hindi dapat momshi kami.
Sige, momshi. May pa ganun pa ako. Pahawak mo ito. The classic mom text. Yung ganito. Okay.
Okay, game. Good morning, kapamilya, and welcome to Magandang Buhay! Hello, Mom Shi, RJ Perkins, kamusta?
Okay lang naman po
How are you
ako.
doing?
Okay lang po ako.
Kamusta na yung mga anak mo dyan?
Okay naman po yung 20 na anak ko po. Okay lang po.
That's good, Mom Shi, RJ Perkins. May gusto ka bang sabihin sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon?
Guys, ano po, dapat masipag po kayo gumawa ng family. Charot! Wait lang.
Oh my God.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa ABS-CBN po for bringing me here po sa show na to. It's a huge honor po to be in front of you po.
Ang galing-galing. Sobrang blooming mo today, Mom Shi, RJ. Anong secret mo, Mom Shi, RJ? Share mo naman sa mga starmates natin. Para maambunan naman din ako ng freshness.
Tubig lang, bes. Tubig lang.
Tubig lang, bes. At dasal.
Yes, dasal. Dasal lang ng mga 2 hours.
Talaga? Matry nga yun, Mom. Pagka ako, hindi from fresh katulad mo, Dapat
Ma'am,
maging kasing fresh ka.
Ikaw pa. Mana kasi ako sa'yo po, Mams.
Talaga ba? Sana all fresh like Mom's RJ, no look. Walang pores. Si Momshi RJ Perkins.
Grabe naman po kayo sa akin. May pores naman po ako. Hindi lang po kita minsan.
Wala. Grabe. Sobrang kinis niya. Sobrang 16 years old. Can you imagine? Grabe.
Grabe.
Ay, sana all. Sana all yung mga starmates natin, no, dahil sa'yo.
Nung sinabi ko na may 20 na anak, may nagsabi, hoy, RJ, SPG yun.
Seryoso.
Guys,
oh my God.
sinabi ko na masipag kayo gumawa ng anak. Wag po yun. Don't. Joke. Keme-keme lang po yun.
Ang ibig sabihin po niya, Starmates, sipagan ang pag-aaruga at pag-aalaga sa mga anak. Am I right, Mom Shi RJ?
Yes naman, Ma'am si Diana. Okay.
Ang galing mo.
Thank you.
Grabe. Ang galing niya, no? Parang kahit anong ipagawa mo sa kanya, gagawin niya.
We have our...
Thank you, Mom Shi RJ, for blessing us with your beauty, your freshness.
Thank you. Okay, so before we move on to the next one, there's a quick reminder for 100K diamonds. Ate Diana will be revealing kung ano nami-miss niya kay Ate Frankie.
Yes.
Tara. Gusto malalaman po yun. Siyempre.
Oo. Thank you. Tulungan niyo kami. Para napag-uusapan pa tayo.
Yes. So now, moving on. Tonight, we have Maki. And the guest is Starlight. Biglang nag-iba ng boses. Wait lang.